On this side Kunal, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search history, because with the updated YouTube app version there is no way to delete the search history, but in this particular blog post I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube search history easily and effectively. Suppose if you want to delete a single search term, you can simply click here and just remove this like that. But if you want to delete all the search histories in the bulk or all together, then here is how to do it. Simply get into the YouTube app settings. As you can see, the previous YouTube app has the dedicated option to clear search history, but in the newer version there is no option like that. So simply click on manage all history. So this will bring you to a new YouTube app feature which will help you to clear YouTube search and watch history all together, because there is a no way to delete only search history or only watch history. But there is a way out there. You can use Google My Account, and there is a dedicated guide on backdroid.com. I will link that in description. You can check that out. Suppose I have searched these two things. As you can see, I have watched a video on the same topic because I want the clarification that there is another way out there. But after finding and watching all those videos, I find out there is no other way. So you have to tap on delete and then tap on delete today, or you can select a custom range. Suppose you have searched something you want to delete 3 days back to yesterday, you can do that. If you want to delete only today's thing, you can simply tap on delete today. It won't ask you for the confirmation, it would directly delete the search and the watch history. There is no other way out there to delete only search history. I know it sounds weird, but YouTube is doing that. But if you want to just delete the search history, you can go on to backdroid.com, and link is given in the description of the article. You can check easily how to do it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.